Hello everyone. As you can see here, I received my pre-order for the Nothing Phone 3A. So today I would like to unbox this device and then talk about my first impressions with it. I have never purchased a device from Nothing in the past. This was bought with my own money, which is why it's so helpful when everyone watches my videos through to the end and then share it within their social circle. I don't get handouts from big OEMs like Samsung, nor do I get them from smaller companies like Nothing. So it's all been purchased with funds earned from this channel. Now, I did follow OnePlus for a few years, but I ended up losing interest around the OnePlus 5 era. So I'm curious to see how this phone stacks up to older OnePlus devices. But let's not waste any more time. You can see the box is rather small, something that I've seen from multiple smartphone OEMs as of late, and I suspect that means there will not be a charger included in this box. The pull tab here isn't the easiest to grab, but it does look like it could be opened from this end if I pry through that glue behind the tab. Prying through this, even under here, still release that tab. So let's continue with the unboxing. Here we have the box that's inside the box. This actually has a nice ridged design here. Very tactile. There's a lid. It says, "Welcome to Nothing. Well, isn't this exciting? Moments like this are why we're here. That anticipation to get started, to unlock something new. Thank you for being part of our world. Here, your voice can be heard and your creativity celebrated. Use With Nothing on Instagram and X for a chance to be featured. Or help build the community by joining nothing.community." So we have our phone here in a little tray. And as I suspected, no charger, but we do have a USB cable here, USB-C to USB-C. We have our unique SIM tray ejector tool, which is rather nice. And we have our safety and warranty information booklet right here. The Nothing Phone 3A will come in a protective sleeve like this, with indications for what these buttons do. We have 4 buttons, 2 on each side. We have our SIM card slot and our USB port. And here is the Nothing Phone 3A. You can see I got the black version. I was actually wanting to get the blue variant, but it was sold out when I had a chance to place my pre-order. On the back here we have our triple camera setup, our LED flash, and then the secondary mic for noise cancellation. Here we have the volume buttons on the left side. We have our power button and secondary key on the right side. On the bottom we have our SIM card ejector slot, our microphone slot, our USB-C port, and then the single speaker output right there on the right. And we have what looks like another external mic right here at the top. It is sad to see that there is not a case included, but the phone does feel pretty good in the hand. It doesn't feel heavy, but it feels solid. I'm not sure if the microphone can pick this up, but the rattle for the camera is actually quite minimal. It is there a little bit, but it's nothing like the Pixel 7 Pro. And speaking of the 7 Pro, also feels solid and does not feel hollow like that phone does. Let's go ahead and power up the phone for the first time. You press and hold the power button. And after a few seconds, you'll feel that vibration, and then the Nothing logo will appear. Don't forget that this first boot up is going to take longer than normal, since it's going to take us to the Android activation screen. And you can see we are already here. We're just going to skip through all of this. And we'll go with the Nothing style so we can check it out. The Nothing Phone 3A feels solid in the hand, but I'm not that happy with how sharp these edges are. However, I suspect that will be alleviated when I add a case onto it. So far, I have avoided phones from Nothing because they had yet to release a proper flagship. But there was so much hype around the Phone 3A, and things just happened to align with videos last month performing much better than normal. And that's why it's always best to watch through all of my videos from start to finish, tapping on that like button, and then sharing it with your friends. The better this channel does in terms of views, the more ad revenue I'm able to bring in, and that means the more devices that I'll be able to buy and make content with. Nothing is said to be releasing a flagship sometime this year, so I'll see how this phone lasts and may end up getting that one after it has been launched. But I want to hear what you think about the Nothing Phone 3A down in the comment section below. I'm curious to hear what you all think about the design and what type of videos you would like to see here on the channel featuring this device. So, if you would, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you're not, because we're really close to that 100,000 subscriber milestone.